Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of mixology on the move with the Barillio Bartender Kit Bag, a stylish and portable solution for cocktail enthusiasts. This travel bartender kit is crafted from durable waxed canvas in a chic coffee color, featuring a 17-piece cocktail set made from rust-proof, dishwasher-safe stainless steel with a stunning silver finish. Inside, you'll find designated compartments, including a large shaker compartment with a zipper, adjustable hook and loop straps, 30 pockets for your bar tools, a mesh pocket for longer utensils, and a secure pocket for smaller accessories. The bag's robust design includes a sturdy, water-resistant exterior, secured by 2 adjustable leather straps and buckles, along with a strong handle and an additional shoulder strap for easy portability. Whether you're crafting a classic old-fashioned or a festive margarita, this kit has everything you need for effortless mixology on the go. It's not just a bartending kit, it's the ultimate gift for weddings, birthdays, or housewarming celebrations, offering a timeless aesthetic and expert craftsmanship. So, if you're ready to elevate your cocktail game wherever you are, the Barillio Bartender Kit Bag is your perfect companion.